Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. When you're setting up a workflow, you don't always want each step to happen immediately after the previous one. So in this video, we'll learn how to use delays so that our workflows flow right on time. Okay, so here we are in the workload editor, and I have a simple workflow that I've set up already with a new entry and type form triggering sending an email in Gmail. Now, it might be in this instance that you don't want that email to be sent immediately as soon as that form is filled out. Perhaps you want to give a short little grace period for our new subscriber before they receive that email. So we can add a delay. So I'm going to click on the plus symbol in the middle of my workflow, and I'm going to come down here where it says delay. And then I'm going to say the number of seconds I want to delay. So obviously there's 60 seconds in a minute. So if I wanted the delay to last for more than a minute, I can do multiples of 60 seconds. So we'll say we're going to wait 2 minutes before this email is sent. So I will type in 120 seconds. We'll save the delay. And now that's saved in there and our workflow is ready to go. So if I want to activate this workflow, I can turn it on. And now whenever there's a new entry in type form, 2 minutes later, the subscriber will be sent an email in Gmail. That's how you can use the delay function of the workload editor to control the timing of your workflow. Please like and subscribe this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.